Okay, so you have 2 poster boards due tomorrow, and this is what it should look like. You see all of the specific details. That's what you should have, and it's due tomorrow afternoon at 12 o'clock. But you also have a page of homework that's due Friday, and it's all due this week or else it will be late. Ring. Okay, you're dismissed. At home.
I have so much work to do. Our teacher gave us 2 poster boards due tomorrow, and we have homework due Friday. What do I do?
Well, why don't you just eat that frog?
Eating a frog? That's disgusting.
Well, it doesn't mean literally. You have to do the biggest assignment first so that you're stress-free and you can do whatever you want for the rest of the week because it will be easy to finish the small assignments.
That's a great idea.
Yeah, I know.